12:23 and Texas is happy right now. Temperatures aren't too bad, but notice what's happening up in the Panhandle. That colder air is on the way, so we will not be enjoying warm temperatures for much longer. It's 64 in Houston right now, but 37 in Oklahoma City, and we're enjoying 73 degrees in Brownsville. But check out these temperatures to the north. It is 2 degrees in Des Moines right now, -6 in Bismarck. Yeah, at noon, it's -6 in Bismarck, and this frigid air is going to be diving into the state, and this time it's going to be modifying some. It's not going to get this cold in Texas, but it's not slowing down as much as it usually does. This is a very frigid air mass, kind of like what we saw just a couple weeks ago. So things are quiet at 2 o'clock across the state, just clouds increasing. Now, beginning late this afternoon, we're going to start with rain showers, but this time it's not just going to be rain. As that colder air comes in, it's going to catch up with the precipitation, and we're going to have a true wintry mix across the state of Texas. First, you got this shade of green, which is just rain. Then you've got an area in the pink that's sleet and freezing rain. And then beyond that, on the other side, where the coldest air is, snow. So what are we going to see here in the valley? Well, let's go ahead in time. Now, 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, we have scattered rain showers. And notice that the area of snow is shrinking. And mainly for a lot of the state, it's going to be freezing rain and sleet. Notice, though, at 10 a.m., it's still to our north. However, as we go farther in time, starting tomorrow evening, notice that shade of pink is over us. Now, I think it's mostly going to be sleet, but we also have the possibility of a little bit of freezing rain. So that means we could be talking about some icy spots that'll be forming during the evening and overnight hours. Now, by Wednesday morning, it's all gone, but with temperatures around freezing, they could still be out there. Now, again, we're talking about isolated icy spots. I don't want you to think of widespread icy roads. It's not looking like that because these temperatures are still kind of marginal. That said, it's going to be feeling really cold, and Wednesday afternoon highs are only going to be in the upper 30s and wind chills no higher than the low 30s, and some may get stuck in the upper 20s for wind chills. So a winter storm warning in effect from San Antonio up to just south of Dallas. Now, in that shade of purple is a winter weather advisory. And remember, an advisory is not as bad as a warning, and that's what we're under. We're under a winter weather advisory because of a little bit of ice accumulation. Not a lot, but a little bit. That's something we're going to have to watch. Also, we're under a wind chill advisory from 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon until 6 p.m. Wednesday. During this period, somewhere in the valley, wind chills will be in the 20s. And at the warmest, they're going to be in the low 30s. So an extended period with very cold weather where you're going to want the hats and gloves. That said, today is nice, 74 degrees. So really enjoy this 74 because it's not going to be this warm for an extended period of time. Mostly cloudy and breezy with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Tonight, still not that bad. We're only cooling down to the mid-50s. Cloudy skies, a few rain showers, and a little bit of patchy fog late tonight. But that's as quiet as it gets. And then things start to go downhill quickly tomorrow. Temperatures start in the upper 50s around 9 a.m. and drop into the upper 30s during the afternoon. Rain showers during the day, but we have the chance for sleet and some freezing rain Tuesday night. We're mostly dry on Wednesday, just a small chance for some isolated rain showers, but wind chills will be in the low 30s. And not much better on Thursday. We're still in the low 40s, a little bit better chance of rain and a drizzly day, just a mess. Now, we see improvement on Friday. We get back to 60 degrees, and then we warm up about another 20 degrees. On Saturday, we're close to 80 degrees. Partly cloudy skies, that's looking like a nice day. Another weak cold front comes through Saturday night, nothing like the one tomorrow. Only cools us down to the mid-70s, may trigger a few rain showers, but we're really not concerned about the weekend. We've got 3 cold days ahead of us, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, before finally a little bit of relief on Friday. We'll have more news after the break.